Hello and welcome to another NCCS Solidworks video tutorial. Today we will briefly discuss the importance of defining a sketch. The image currently displayed on this screen does look like it is fully defined, in the way that if you were given this image and dimensions on a piece of paper, you could accurately draw it on Solidworks without any difficulty. Yet Solidworks is still telling you that the sketch is underdefined. Solidworks will tell you that a sketch is underdefined in two ways. First, under the feature tree next to your sketch, it'll have a minus in brackets. And second, near the bottom right corner, it'll say that the sketch is undefined. There are three types of sketch definitions. 1. Underdefined, meaning that the sketch can be changed and still fit the dimensions or relations placed upon it. 2. Fully defined, meaning that the sketch cannot be anything other than what its dimensions or relations say it is. And 3. Overdefined, when there is more than one definition placed upon the same feature. So why does defining a sketch matter? Using the sketch in front of me, if I want to bring the sketch body closer to the center line by 10 mm, I would do so by changing the defined distance from 50 mm to 40 mm. But as the sketch is underdefined, there are multiple ways in which this change can be carried out. See here how Solidworks hasn't really moved the shape forward, but has stretched it and thus changed the main body of the sketch. The way in which Solidworks thinks is very black and white. Every defined feature is law and will not be changed. However, anything that isn't defined in the eyes of Solidworks is not of importance and therefore can be changed. Due to the simplicity of this sketch, the unwanted change is obvious. Yet when the sketch becomes more complicated, alterations such as this will become less so, and it therefore becomes more important to define your sketch properly, so that when you make a change in your sketch, you will know exactly what Solidworks will do to compensate. A small note on how to detect underdefined features. See how in this fully defined sketch all the lines are black? If I were to remove a dimension, thus making it underdefined, as seen by the minus sign next to the sketch, and the label down below, some of the lines will turn blue. This means that this section of the sketch is no longer fixed, and can now be moved freely without conflicting with any of the previously set dimensions or relations. So that's the end of the video. I hope you learned something new and have a good day.